Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website, how we can indexing for the Google Search Console to show on to the Google purpose. I'm selecting one of website name is called Sri Laptop World. If anybody looking for republished laptop, new laptop, anything, the one and only option name is called Sri Laptop World. In this particular website, how we can index the particular URLs. Now click here, select this option, copy the URL. First of all, URL will be some mistakes are there. They will show will be double space. So we can convert into the single space. So we have to intimate to developer and fix the issues. So this is a short URL. Copy here. Go to Search Console and click for in this. Right now, URL is Google will be there properly. I'm checking for another URL. Suppose I have checking will be any another URL will be here. I'm checking your particular option. So here is that copy, paste it. URL is not on Google. Now what we can call request to index will be here. It will be give the request. So what is the request? Nothing but my website will be not in Google. Please index the Google and by using search console option. So that is represented by the my URL will be index it on the support of Google Search Console. So they will submit you take for the minimum 1 to 2 minutes time. After submitting will be finished. Next will be click for text live URL. Maybe submission is going on or not. But compulsory each and every URL indexing is the compulsory important. That is how we can represent and full-fledged and clear by the particular URL is called in this search console. There is nothing but index the URL on each and every web pages. So this is the particular conversion any new pages. So after that, what is that? Your URL is available on Google. If it is mobile version, text issues, everything they will represent by in the below option. Follow the guidelines and activate the proper one and index the Google and particular URL using search console option. So per day, how many we can? We can go with per day will be 10 or 5 to index it. Don't hit it 100, not don't submit it. There's a violation. Indexing will one by one go ahead your particular option. Before submitting anything, any URL will be wrong. See this. Here is the pipe symbol. They give the two space on URL structure. That is, you have to fix it on the URL structure option. After that, submit this URL. Or else the double space also covered by the Google. So that is called which is a long space and change your particular option. So if any search console indexing issues or any problem you're facing, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.